Good morning from the Yacht Club. It's our last day at the Yacht Club.
No!
We've packed up. Everything's all packed up. I'll show you the absolute mountain of luggage. Look at it. Oh my goodness, look at it.
Crazy.
There is so much stuff. Just waiting for bell services to come up and collect the cases, and then we'll be off to Animal Kingdom for the day. What time's our fast pass? 9.
We're going for the whole day.
The morning probably. 9:55 to 10:55 is our fast pass for Flight of Passage, which is the main thing. And then we'll come back, pick up the cases and head down to Vero Beach.
Yay!
So I guess we'll see you guys in the car on the way to Animal Kingdom.
Oh, one last walk through the lobby. Well, actually second to last, because we'll come back obviously to get our stuff. But there it is. It's such a good lobby. It smells amazing. Who's doing the parking?
You.
Me! I haven't done the parking. I'm actually quite excited about doing the parking.
And Gemma.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. You knew your name, Gemma.
Like what?
You knew your name.
What?
You're
That's
known at Animal Kingdom. Animal Kingdom know you.
I think it was the magic band.
Ah, that could be it.
Oh snap. Pandora. We're on our way. Pandora.
Sponsored by.
Pandora.
Sponsored by.
Pandora.
Sponsored by.
Pandora. Way! Yay! She's a happy cast member. This one, he's just directional. He's directional. He's functional. She's happy.
Here retrieve it. Just let the driver and myself know the next stop. We will do our very best to retrieve that item for you.
Gemma, your Animal Kingdom. Morning. Should we check out the pass holder entrance? Because it's looking pretty busy.
Make the most of it for our last pass holder entrance.
Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, this is a good benefit today, eh?
Yeah.
So this is the main queues pass holder entrance.
What?
That's so good, eh?
Good one today, isn't it? Mickey to Mickey. I'm in. Bye. Yes.
Thank you. Has to get the times, guys.
Breakfast.
Let's head for breakfast. So we're gonna head on and we will see you. Oh my god, Divine. No.
There's Divine. She's Divine. Look how she blends in. It's amazing. Right then, let's move on. Move out. Welcome to Disney's Animal Kingdom. Time for breakfast. Breakfast time. Oh, here's our breakfast. I went for Mary, as in Mary Poppins, and we both gone for the sausage and egg muffin because we haven't had one of these. We didn't have one last time either, did we? We have to make up for it and have more. No, we didn't. Oh snap! Get in my belly. Breakfast. It's a cheesy goodness.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, it's really spicy this sausage today, isn't it?
Nice, nice.
Yeah, oh yeah, not, but yeah, it's physically like really hot. Look at that cheese. Oh yeah.
And move around a bit. Almost. Yes, got him. Now, let's find you your avatar matches.
Matched. That's me, number 9. Steve, number 10. Look how cool they are.
How did you find Flight of Passage?
Oh, it was even better, I think, the
Like-
second time. Didn't I think you was right?
Like you come, like I'm in goosebumps for most of it. It's just amazing. It's just so, yeah.
It's just, I don't know, it's just like nothing counts, is it? And just the movement, it's just so good.
Yeah.
It feels like you're on a vantage.
It does. It's
Probably that's the point of it. They did a really good job.
it is so good.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Oh snap. I got the souvenir glass. So I went for the night blossom. It's so good. You can see the glow cube in it now. When I first got it, it was sort of hidden in the bubbly bits, and they're quite nice. Weird sensation popping them though. Yeah, I went for it in the souvenir glass. It's nice. It's a really nice drink. It's really sweet. Even Steve likes it, and you're not really good
No.
for drinks like that, are you?
It's a shocker, isn't it? So I did just have a mouthful and then I went for Dasani.
Dasani. Come on, let's walk over here. Let's have a little wander. So we're going to now go out of Pandora, and we're going to go on Everest. Expedition Everest.
It's Yeti time.
Is it? I didn't realise. I'm not afraid of roller coaster that goes backwards. Yeti.
It's Yeti time.
Is it?
Yeah.
Expedition Everest. When you board, please sit down immediately, pull down the restraint, and secure all gear in the cargo bag.
Look, Gemma. And there, look there, Gemma. Oh, that's high. Ugh. Yeti time. Oh, that's high. I'm not afraid of roller coasters with a good backwards. I ain't afraid of a roller coaster that goes backwards. Leaving Animal Kingdom for the final time this trip.
No, it's sad, isn't it?
Did you have a roaring time? Arr.
Yeah. I had a wild time.
You had a wild time. Blimey, I had a roaring time. No, sad to be leaving. See you real soon, Tree of Life. See you real soon. Bye, parrots. Goodbye. See you real soon. And on to the beach. Let's go to the beach, don't eat a peach. Bye! Oh, it's so sad, we're leaving and Dan Faye waving us off. Bye! Have a safe flight home. Oh! It feels horrible, doesn't it? Don't, it's horrible. Hello, bye! Oh, bye. Bye, Yacht Club. See you real soon. Oh, it's so sad to go. Oh, I don't like going. Do you?
No.
Bye.
Oh, it's nice we got to say bye to
Yeah, it was. I walked in just to smell it, and they were
Did
sat
you?
there on
Oh.
the seat. I was like, ah, hi. And then squirrel attacked me, didn't
Yeah,
it?
it's
Well,
like-
it didn't attack me. I got out of the car and I could hear. And I looked behind me and there's a squirrel like pounced on all fours, like going, with its mouth open, wasn't it? It was like, at me. It's like,
all the cases you got in
yeah,
anyway.
you got all the cases and I just sort of spoke to Dan and Faye, well, I'll let you do that, sorry. Ah, sorry.
The health services said to me, do these actually all go in here?
Yes. They're like, well, we're going to make it. Right then, goodbye, Disney's Yacht Club Resort. See you real soon.
Here we go then, Jamsy, brace yourself.
Brace yourself. We're leaving the world for the final time this trip. Yeah. Yeah, you say that, Mickey. See you real soon. Oh, we're out of the world, Steve.
We just pulled in literally to a quick Wendy's for something to eat. We've never been in here before.
No, so let's
Ashley said it was like the world's best ever burger last time, so
I think he was hungry.
so we've got the Wendy down there. I don't know if it is the world's best ever burger, but we shall make our own decision there. I saw that.
Chicken. I went for home style. I've got no idea. You've got the Baconator.
Just going to enjoy this, and we'll give you the verdict on the Wendy's once we've eaten. How is a Wendy's chip?
I like both those. Here's mine. Just want a part of those and it. Home style chicken.
Nice.
Turn left onto Island Grove Terrace, then turn left.
She's a beauty.
Yay!
Turn left onto Island Grove Terrace, then
We're
the destination
here.
is on your right.
Oh, can you hear it? Look at the waves. Oh man. Holy moly. This is amazing. Look.
So we've just got our dinner. Mine doesn't look very good because I've removed all the healthy things and just had a bacon cheeseburger.